All right. These are, I think, starting to be redundant here. You know what a non-polar covalent and a polar covalent and ionic is. What do we mean when we say like dissolves like? That's just polar substances tend to dissolve in other polar substances. So water being polar and ethanol being polar tend to dissolve in each other. But like we saw in our lab, water, which is polar, and mineral oil, which is nonpolar, or any type of cooking oil, which is nonpolar, tend not to dissolve. All right, classification of matter. Well, we have pure substances and mixtures, elements and compounds, homogeneous, heterogeneous. A molecule, that's just the word that we use when we have a covalent bond amongst the different atoms, and a molecule will be the smallest part of a substance made up of those elements. So if we have a H and a Cl, that makes an HCl molecule. If we have a CH4 and HHH, that'd be a methane molecule. A compound, that's just when we have two or more elements chemically combined. A formula unit was the situation we used for when we have usually metals and nonmetals that form ions, positive and negative ions, and it's just the smallest little subset of that crystal. So 1 Na and 1 Cl, or 1 Ca and 2 Cls. Those would be formula units. You know what an element is, I think? An ion just has to be a charged particle, cations, or when you have a positive ion, anions, or when you have a negative ion, and then the octet rule is just the tendency that atoms have to gain, lose, or share electrons so that they get 8 valence electrons. Hope that helps.